Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Tom Caldwell, and the sole purpose of this channel is to help to teach you how to earn money online and save you thousands of dollars and hundreds of wasted hours trying to figure it out on your own. So today's lesson is 20 proven tips to help you increase your YouTube views. And let's get started right now. Let's go to my computer, and we're here on my website, tomcaldwellonline.com, and we're going to click on this blog post right here. And as you will see, the title of this video and blog post is 20 Proven Ways to Increase Views on Your YouTube Videos. This set up where I can scroll down. Okay, let's see. I think I got it. Implement these proven techniques to get more views on your YouTube videos. The more views translates into more likes, shares, comments, and subscribers, all of which increase the YouTube algorithm's love for that you receive. We'll skip past the table of contents. Number one, niche down. What does niche down mean? The dictionary definition of niche is denoting or relating to products, services, or interests that appeal to a small, specialized section of the population. So for your business marketing purposes, niching down means to focus on a small but well-defined segment of the market. Let me repeat that again. So for your business marketing purposes, niche down means to focus on a small but well-defined segment of the market. So for instance, if you're a dog trainer and you create dog training videos, if you want to niche down, you would niche down to dog training for pit bulls, so that you will narrow your scope of audience from all breeds of dogs down to one breed of dogs for your training videos. Okay, step number 2 is make videos about topics that people are searching for. It won't do you any good to make videos if no one's interested in watching them. So this is where research pays off big time. Use YouTube autocomplete feature search, which is the search bar at the top of your YouTube homepage, and this tells you in order of importance the things people are looking for. Type in an idea such as YouTube tips, and you will receive a bunch of queries that people have been searching for. You can expand on this by typing YouTube tips with the letter A. YouTube will then list queries beginning with the letter A. As an example, YouTube tips and tricks. You can further expand upon this by typing YouTube tips B and so forth, using each letter of the alphabet. As an example, adding the letter B gives you the search query of YouTube tips Bengali. The letter C returns YouTube tips channel. Create videos that provide value to the viewers. That may be teaching them how to do something, help them gain a better understanding of something, or simply keeping them entertained. If viewers find your video content valuable, they will watch longer and return to watch more of your videos. all of which increases your views and watch time, which in turn tips the algorithm in your favor. Number 3, rank your videos on Google. Google believes that video is the best way to answer search queries. When your video ranks, you will receive a steady stream of targeted views from Google. Ranking videos in Google is not easy, but it is well worth the time you will invest. In this Medium.com article, Ryan Stewart provides 8 ranking hacks that will jumpstart your ranking in Google search, which will in turn get you more views. Hack number 1, video content. YouTube viewers are seeking content to help them solve problems, learn skills, watch cat videos, and waste time. In order to get automated stream of views, focus on content accordingly. The bottom line is, don't create videos that are crap. Create videos that people want to watch and share. Hack number 2, length of video. The rationale is simple. The more seconds you keep a user on your video, the better you will rank. Therefore, having videos with more length will add to the total seconds users spend on your videos. As a side note, don't make a video longer just for the sake of making it longer, because you will lose viewers. But you do want to develop your video content with longer videos in mind, and in general, videos should be from 7 to 15 minutes for best performance. Hack number 3, target long tail keywords and less competitive keywords. And in my blog post, I have a link right here to a must-have keyword research training, which I suggest you go to tomcaldwellonline.com and check out this blog post and take this training. It will be well worth your while. If you're committed to success on YouTube, it is of utmost importance that you learn and put into use the skill of keyword research. So take the time to do this training. Hack number 4, description. Try to write at least 200 words in your description. Use synonyms and one-off keywords in your description. Write a different description for each video. Don't overuse keywords because you can get penalized for keyword stuffing. The best practice is to write out the video transcript and include it in your description. Hack number 5, utilize playlist. Video playlists add an additional layer to the ranking signal to YouTube and Google. Hack number 6, custom thumbnails. Use color like red, orange, and green in your thumbnails. You can create your custom thumbnails on canva.com for free. Hack number 7, leverage social media. Google takes into account the relevance of your content and how it relates to search queries. The best way for search engines to measure relevance is to measure how many shares, likes, and tweets you get. Therefore, if you want your videos noticed in Google, you need to get your videos on social media networks. Hack number 8, dress up your channel. YouTube sees channels without a profile picture, a header, description, or links as spam. Here are the best practices. Add your social media links. SEO optimize your channel images. Subscribe to similar channels, and add long descriptions in your videos. In your video about section. Your video about section appears at the top of your YouTube channel. And a lot of people really dropped the ball here. They don't put any description in their about section. It simply says member from such and such date. So they are really not taking full advantage of the YouTube tools that YouTube provides. Okay, now we're moving on to number 4. Get traffic to your videos using Quora and Medium. Create an account, optimize your profile with a picture, your qualifications, your YouTube channel link, and a link to your website on each one of these platforms, Quora.com and Medium.com. Then post relevant content according to your niche. Once you build a reputation for being a helpful contributor, the readers of your content will visit your profile, and some will click on your YouTube channel or your website link. Posting videos in your content on Quora and Medium will greatly boost your view engagement and translate into YouTube views. Number 5, embed your videos in relevant blog posts. If you do not already have a blog style website, I highly recommend that you create one today and post each of your YouTube videos with a transcript of your video. You can create a free blog on blogger.com. If you don't want to take the time to translate your videos, pay someone from Fiverr to do it for you. Videos embedded in a blog post on social media and on forums do count as backlinks according to uomi.com. Number 6, use end screens and cards to promote your related videos. YouTube Creator Academy defines end screens as a powerful tool which can help extend watch time on your channel by directing videos to something new at the end of your video. End screens can be added to the last 5 to 20 seconds of your video and allow you to promote up to 4 elements. Biddable.com describes YouTube cards as the interactive cards you see in YouTube videos, usually at the end, that lets creators share clickable links to relevant content throughout a video. You can add up to 5 cards to each video, and you can use cards in any video. Number 7, key moments in Google. Grab key moments in Google by adding timestamps. Key moments are triggered by timestamps in your YouTube video description. For more information about utilizing key notes, visit this article entitled How to Make the Most of Your Video Thumbs Timestamp Results in Google Search. Number 8, publish videos during the time when your audience is most active. Here is here is how to determine the best time of day to publish videos. Go to your YouTube Studio, then click on Analytics, then click on Audience, and then look for the When Your Viewers Are on YouTube report. In this report, you can determine your audience's prime time, and your audience's prime time is the best hour or best day that you get the most views. Upload your YouTubes in private a few hours before publishing, and then this will give plenty of time for your upload to finish. Publish your videos 2 hours before your audience's prime time, because publishing 2 hours earlier than your audience's prime time gives YouTube the time to index and analyze your video and potentially suggest it to more people. This will also get you extra views that you would have missed if you had posted later. Number 7. Oh, I think we already did that one. Okay, number 9. use YouTube tags. YouTube says that your video title, thumbnail, and description are more important than tags. However, it is a best practice to include tags on the off chance that tags may get you more engagement. Just don't spend too much time on creating tags. Spend about 5 to 10 minutes maximum. Here's a simple formula that I found on efforts that will help you decide which tags to are correct for your videos. Number 1, use your primary keyword as your first tag. And subsequent tags include 3 or 4 relevant keywords, but don't keyword stuff. Do not exceed 300 characters total for your tags. Number 2, don't mislead people. And by mislead people, I mean trick people into thinking that the video is about something that it's not. This is a violation of YouTube's spam policy. Don't use celebrity names. Don't use your competitor's name. And don't use irrelevant keywords. For example, don't use McDonald's as a tag if your video is about Burger King. And the last tip for this formula is don't use tags in your video description. Basically, don't go overboard with your tags. And tip number 10, piggyback off viral trends. Neil Patel suggests going to google.com/trends, type in the keywords and phrases within your niche, and Google will show you what's popular now. On the Google Trends homepage, you can see what's going viral right then. Also, you can go to buzzsumo.com and type in keywords related to your niche. You will see the most popular content to go viral. Take the top viral pieces and put a different spin on your videos that you create. Another thing you can do is spy on your competitors, your competition, in order to gain inspiration from topics that are doing well for them. However, don't copy what they are doing, because this is copyright infringement or plagiarism, and you can be sued, fined, or serve jail time. So just use your competition to determine what is going viral for them, and then put your own spin on the topic. Okay, that's number 10. So I am going to end right there, and this will be part 1 of this blog post of 20 ways to increase your views on YouTube. And part 2 will cover the remaining 11 through 20 tips. So that's it for me right now. I thank you for watching my video. If you found value in this, please give me a like and a comment. Share the video with someone that would be helpful to, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and we'll see you on the next video.